This weekend I got to head up to Big Bear with some friends to attend Basecamp 5.0 hosted by Pure 4x4. So come along and enjoy the ride. We're going to do some wheeling, some eating, and some having some fun at camp. So this is Holcomb Valley in the meadow area, and it's actually really pretty driving there during sunset.
I got to beware. I think it's time we stop. Children, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Babylon's being wrong. Nobody's right if everybody's wrong. Young people speak in their mind.
I think one of my favorite things about camping and overlanding is just hanging out around the campfire with friends. In the morning after breakfast, a few of us actually went out to hit up some trails. So we ended up hitting Holcomb Valley Road. It's actually a pretty easy trail. My buddy Kevin drives a Subaru, and our buddy John was in a Range Rover. So they didn't want to hit up too hard of a trail.
Mostly say hooray for our side. It's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
But there's a bypass. You guys just stopped us? Yeah, the guy in the Defender told me. They say you can go around, so we'll take a look at it. Might be a fun place to try something out. Sounds good.
Earlier on the trail, we ran into some guys that told us that there was a gnarly part of this trail. On the left is the bypass, but on the right here, is the more difficult part that they told us about. Since I was leading on the trail, I went up first and decided to take a left line just because it looked a little bit more challenging, but at the same time, it looked pretty doable. Here's a view of the same section, but just from the top.
Oh, you're good.
Here's John in his Range Rover attempting the same section.
I'll start cutting to the right now. Passenger side. Oh wait, slow down, stop. Back. Oh, hold on, here, back up.
After our buddy John attempted to take the same line, we ended up having him take the right side because it seemed a little bit easier.
What? Okay, don't hug the tree too much, but yeah, you're good. Now, go passenger. Yeah! You got it! Phew! Nice! Yeah!
Most of this trail is pretty much a pretty fire road. There's a few sections that are a little bit rutted that, as long as you take the right line, you'll be fine. And then that one challenging section had a bypass. So, I would say any vehicle with decent clearance can make that trail fine. Here we are coming back to camp in the Basecamp 5.0 area. Basically, they held the event at Holcomb Valley Ranch. and there were a ton of rigs here and vendors. So yeah, it was a pretty fun event. I think next time we'll probably camp further away just so that we can have a little bit more privacy. There were definitely a lot of rigs and vendors there showing off their products. So if you are into overlanding and or off-roading and want to check out a bunch of fixed up rigs and potentially win a bunch of prizes because they had a really cool raffle there, you should check out Basecamp next year. And here's the price for playing in the mud.